welcome to the Peppered Peach. I'm on my rollerblades today. We're gonna be making zucchini bread from Magnolia Cookbook, volume number 2. I do love a good zucchini bread. I have never made her zucchini bread before, but today is the day. So we have our zucchini here, the star of the show, and we have everything else ready to go. Let's get going. All right, so our first step is to get a large bowl, and we're gonna combine some of our wet ingredients here. So we're gonna take our vegetable oil, which is a cup and a half. Okay, we have 2 cups of sugar, a lot of sugar, okay? And we also are gonna put in 4 eggs. Actually, I'll use this for the eggs. Okay, so we got 1, we got 2. And then our last egg, done. And a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. All right, so we will whisk away until this is nice and smooth. That's becoming a nice consistency. All right, so this is good. I'm gonna put this off to the side, move this out of the way, because we do not need this anymore. And then we're gonna take a look at our dry ingredients, and we are going to whisk together, which I will need another whisker, is we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We have some cinnamon. How many? 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. We have a teaspoon of baking soda. There we go. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now, let me just use a fork. And we'll just whisk this together, just to combine. I would love to know who thought zucchini bread was a good idea. How did they come about this? I don't know. Such a random thing. Zucchini and cinnamon? Where? Who talked about this? Who started this trend? Okay. All right, so now that we have that, we are going to combine our flour with our oil and eggs, and we are going to whisk away. It's very, very floury. All right. It's definitely becoming a batter, and it's very thick. All right. Cool. All right. So now that this is all combined, I'm getting this everywhere. I'm making a mess. We're gonna get our zucchini ready. So we have our zucchini. I'm gonna get my food processor out, and we're gonna shred this down, and then we're going to rinse it out a little bit so the excess water stays away. So let me get the food processor, and we'll get the zucchini ready. Okay, so we have our food processor here. I am just going to cut this little top off, and I don't know if this is gonna fit in now. So I am just gonna half it just to be safe. Maybe one more time. And we'll throw it in. All right. Okay, one down, let's get the other one going. Okay, let's go. right. It is all set. We have a couple small pieces that, no big deal, put them off to the side. That little gap in between the top of this and here always catches something. So, all right, so now that that's done, we're gonna take this out, and I have a towel here, a cotton towel, that I usually use for my sourdough, but I'm gonna use it today to get some of this extra moisture off our zucchini. So let me grab all the zucchinis. All right, I'm gonna use this as my bowl to get all this juice out. And I'll do my best. Maybe I do smaller groups. Probably, right? Yes. Okay, no big deal. You know, this is why we do this. So I can mess up for you, and then you can learn from me. And don't make the same mistakes, right? Okay, so let's half it. So over here. Okay. Let's use this, and we'll wring it out. Unless the cotton towel is just absorbing it all. I doubt it, but let's see. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Yes. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. See that? Okay. So the first batch I'm just gonna dump right into our batter because we're gonna mix that together in a second. But let's add in our second group here and get all that moisture out. Alrighty. And squeeze. You gotta put some muscle into it, you know? I'm sure there's like some automatic tool that does this. But you know what? We're gonna do the hard way. No shortcuts here. All right, that's a lot, okay? So now this mess, I'll bring this bowl over, move this out of the way. There's zucchini everywhere. Okay. Now let's combine this all together. And we will throw this into the oven. I have a pan ready to go. It goes in for, let's see how long, 50 minutes. And when it's ready and it's done, we'll be able to try it. That's simple. This is a very simple recipe, not gonna lie. It doesn't take long. So if it's good, it'll be a repeat. So we have our pan here. I have it already sprayed up. It is a very dense batter, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm sure it'll taste great. That amount of sugar in there should be just fine. All right. Here we go. All set. Do we need to cover it? Nope. Okay. 15 minutes. See you then. All right, y'all, it is time to try our zucchini bread from Magnolia Cookbook, volume number 2. Let's go. Smells really good. Okay. This is tasty. It reminds me a little bit like Christmas. I don't know why, but it's tasty. I love it. Will I make it again? Yes. One of my neighbors do love zucchini bread, so it'll be on the menu for her whenever she comes over. Super tasty, and as you saw, very easy to make. So if you need something, if you have 2 extra zucchinis in your refrigerator and you need something to do, this is it. So super good, super tasty, love it so much. Thank you so much for stopping by today. The peppered peach while we made the zucchini bread. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you later.